Oops, looks like the light is gone. Not to worry, we have our emergency smart light and fan. So now let's have a look at the circuit. This is a circuit having an Arduino and it has an LED connected to pin 13 of the Arduino. These LEDs are surface mount LEDs. We also have an LDR here connected to pin 8 of the Arduino, and the LDR can sense darkness or even light. We also have a transistor here also connected to pin 13 of the Arduino, and the transistor will drive a motor which is connected to a fan. Now let's see how it works. Since it is not dark around the LDR, the fan and light are off. So let's try to make it dark around the LDR. Now since it's dark around the LDR, the fan and light are on. Now let's have a quick look at the code. In the code, we are setting the LDR pin as 8 and the LED motor pin as 13. And we also have a variable called LDR state to track the LDR status. In the setup method, we set the LED motor pin as output and the LDR pin as input. In the loop method, we check the state of the LDR, and depending on that, we turn the LED and motor on or off. The link of the code is provided in the description section. Hope you enjoyed it a lot.